Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. It's another good vid. In today's episode, we hit the O2 Arena for a private underground, I guess illegal, street party that is usually kept a secret. So we're going to meet up with a few bikers and head over there. Now, today is different because we're going to use my GoPro 360 camera, which I mount to the back of the bike. So you'll have the 360 view and you'll also have the footage from the regular motovlog mount on the front of the helmet. So we'll meet a few bikes, I'll mix the footage. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video right now. And also we have actually very big news in terms of a sort of TV show and also some events coming up that you guys will not want to miss. So if you're based in the UK and in London, you will be able to attend these events, and I'll be there with a few other very well-known influencers. So enjoy the vid today, guys.
Anyway, you guys, sorry, I don't even know what I haven't been vlogging. We're going to another one of the street parties. Random video. I haven't been out for like a week, so I thought I'd get out with the boys. I've been busy. I've had lots going on, and I'm knackered. However, we're gonna go to this street party. Check it out. Hopefully good vibes. It was good vibes last time. Tonight I believe they're playing house music. So yeah, I don't mind some good house. You know, IB for vibes. Anyway, we've got the Gixxer GSXR 600. We've got the Ninja, got my V4S, and I believe behind that corner there is 2 more bikes, maybe 3. We'll see. Maybe an M1000. We will see. I can see our CBR. So yes, I've got a 360 cam on, so you guys are going to get a double perspective video today. You're going to see both angles, so interested. This is what it shall be. And I've got music in the background, so do you want to park them properly in there? Yeah? M1000. Let me go through here. Damn. That selection. Mad. All these big bikes. The R1s look bad as well. Damn, they look good. Yeah, that blue on the R1, gorgeous. Yellow, love that anniversary looking one, I believe. 60th anniversary, I think. The Gixxer, that colour's banging. Wow, lovely. Lovely bikes. What a lineup. What a lineup. Should be a good day.
That's the sound of the police! That's the sound of the police!
Which one do you want? Oh!
A few moments later.
I'm pretty sure that's the same lady in the X4M. 2 ladies. Go on, girls. 2 ladies. Lady-driven X4M. Love that car. I absolutely love when you see ladies driving powerful cars. It's a vibe. Absolute vibe. I think back in the day when I had my M3 or my M4, one of the two, I used to make my ex drive it around. I used to make her drive me around in the car, actually. Damn, this bike is quick. Jeez. Hopefully everyone made it through the lights. Oh hell no. This is like an opportunity for someone to just pull over into us. Eesh, let's cut through this quick. Do you know what, this must look so crazy. Look how many of us there are, all on these bikes, cutting through traffic. Insane.
but it's a vibe. I mean, well, summer's not really here yet. It kind of is, kind of isn't, but hey, there's a lot of bikes. Damn, that R1 looks good. The Gixxer as well, jeez. Finally, we're hitting the famous carriageway. Alright, let's see. That bus is blocking half of our road. Do you know what? This cut through is quick. No way. This bike has so much power. Any gap is pretty much possible. It's insane. Love this machine. Love it. If you guys realize, right, there still is actually quite a big difference between the 600cc and the 1000cc or 1100. In my case, 1103, whatever. This bike pulls like a train. It's got torque all over the place. It's like it's got a turbo. Damn, the R1 looks good. Love that R1, that yellow anniversary, 60th anniversary. Love that. I almost got one of those a while ago. My salesman was trying to convince me to buy that over the S1K, but at the time I did want the S1K a bit more. Let's see if we can get everyone to follow me and capture this on the 360 cam. You know, I want that middle name, taking that. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. Let's get everyone to follow me. Pass me, peeps. Let's go. Hopefully this footage looks alright. Damn, we need to come off here. Let's get this quick. Alright, that was decent. That was decent. We should have enough 360 footage there that I can mix into this vid for you guys. Let's see. To be fair, you'll see it right now anyway. I'm going to put it right over this. I hope it's still recording. Let me wave. Anyway, peeps, we are only, I don't know, 5 minutes away? 10? Nah, 5 minutes away anyway from the location. So hopefully we can get in there. Hopefully there's no more events at the O2 because usually they block roads off. So we'll see what happens anyway. It's local from now. So imagine what I said about them blocking roads off causing an event. There is an event at the O2, so they block the roads off, so we're now going this way, straight down this road. It will take us towards O2, but we have to go all the way around. Do you know, let's hit the gas here quickly. Alright, and now we are hitting a secret location. A few of you may know this, most of you probably won't, but this is a great shot, great location. You know, we do our little videos down here and whatnot. Some people do some crazy antics out here too. I don't really get involved in that. For some reason the other audio is cut off. Anyway, we're gonna go cut down to the back part, the secret entrance we'll call it, passageway. And we're gonna approach the start of this place. But I wanna show you guys how you actually get in here and what we had to do just to get around to the front. So now we're at the main viewpoint, pretty much. In a second you're gonna see all these people on the left queuing up. There we go. Everyone looks like a bunch of youngers. No disrespect. Younger peeps. No problem, no problem. Everyone just chilling. Yeah, he spots the bike. Ducati love. Alright, let's see. O2 Arena. Quite a few people. It hasn't really kicked off yet. This does get ram-packed. I mean, mosh pit vibes. Yo, there's a Ducati V4S SP2. Jeez, I have a twin out here. Love that. Usually I go to these events, I'm usually the only one here on the V4, but hey, I don't mind that, you know. Got a bit of red and we've got a bit of red and black, you know. Mix it up a bit, there is tons of us. Cheese. Yeah, that R1 looks buff. We love it. Anyway, peeps, this is the location. We'll stop off here. Try and find someone to park these bikes properly, so get that off. Just in case, don't want that on social media. But yeah guys, this is the viewpoint. Tons of bikes here as you can see. R1s, Gixxers, you name it. Ducatis, 2 Ducatis.
yeah, so let's see who turns up. Got the M1000 looking pretty. See some gals, see some guys around. The viewpoint looks amazing, absolutely beautiful. Love this point. It's amazing for photo shoots. Let me tell you that I've shot so many cars, like the Ferraris, the Lambos, the M4s, whatever it is, I've shot it here. Alright, let's see what we're doing. What are we actually doing right now? Let's see. I'm seeing more people appearing, so yeah, you know what? I might put the bike near this pole. Yeah, I think it's a better idea if I do that actually.
A few minutes later.
Where shall we go? Where shall we go? He's going home. He's going home. Yeah. Catch it, yeah, bro, I've got to shoot. Where should we go? Where should we go? And then go somewhere else? Yeah. Good point, yeah? You good, yeah? Yeah, they won't go, yeah.